here, yun. They have a burning house here. It's almost 1 hour already. See that it's still burning there. That's a house. They're still burning the house. See? Before they secure the one house, also the side by side the house, they secure first. They put water before the house burning, because this you know, if the one that catch the fire is almost only 6 feet to distance the house. So the neighbor house, like the blue one, they almost secure, put the water first before the other house, this other side house that break, I guess, more first secure, then go. Yeah, because Cheyenne, I like Cheyenne. Huh?
Talk to Mike across the street. He said 3 are dead.
What's happening?
Huh?
It's a lot of people inside there.
The little redheaded girl.
Under the...
I don't know. I don't want to spread any rumors.
Because I'm thinking it's the laundromat, like the
wish it
customer. No, the customer, like she cannot talk, like. And then I see that stuff already, like, oh, Shine, we're gonna go out, maybe start burning our house, like. Oh my God! When I saw her, ha, this is here, and then I saw the car, then I saw your missus, like, oh my God.
Jeff has just been looking.
Huh?
Fuck, man. I hope. Danny's going to be crushed. God damn. You okay?
It's almost long time already. You cannot find.
Huh?
You cannot find.
Who?
I think when you just leave. Because I see this is you see the message to me is 6:34, I guess.
Yeah.
This is like 6:50 before 6:45, I guess.
Well, we can look
You
at the
just
film.
you
Yeah,
just
we just
leave.
left. I didn't see nothing.
Yeah, because it's very fast. That's very very
Wood.
fast.
Wood.
Huh?
Brick.
Because when I stopped that, Cheyenne said, huh? Huh? Like, what's happening, Cheyenne? Do you have a water there? Go, let's go. And I didn't know that she inside, like, come out here. Kawawa naman. Siguro yung ano daw dyan, baka tatlong taong patay. Yeah.
Initial reports, people were trapped by the fire.
Oh, that's very fast.
It says people were trapped by the fire. Oops. Yeah, Daddy picked you up.
No, it's okay.
Let's see. We're back there with Jeff. We're blocking it. I don't know. Oh, is Danny back? Danny's back there. Oh, shit. Here, get down, then. If you don't want to be in my arms, then just get down.